What is that?
Go.
What is that?
Put this sword in here. That's why. And jump away. Get me away. Get me away. Okay, you say? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Get me away. Get me off. No. Get me off the bed.
Off the bed? What are you riding in?
Nothing. Just a laundry basket.
Just a laundry basket? I thought you said it was a Grampy boat.
I bet there's a monster there that needs help.
Okay. Bye-bye.